Hey, everybody, we're here today. Heartland Hot Rods visiting my sister, my brother-in-law. Greg and I are here to check out their Dukes of Hazzard collection. And boy, they got a great collection.
It's unbelievable. I pulled up. I felt like I was in Hazzard County.
Felt like you was in Hazzard
Yeah,
County, didn't
I
you?
was right there.
So they got some great ones, and we're going to show them to you today. And we'll end with the pretty orange car.
Oh, yeah.
So that's
we got a special treat.
Yeah, that's how we're going to end this one. But we're going to start outside here with some of the vehicles that everybody's probably going to recognize. So we'll get started right now.
So what do we got going here?
It's a Dodge Coronet. We know that.
Yeah, it's 76 Dodge Coronet.
76 Dodge Coronet. Obviously, this was Roscoe's car.
Yeah.
Now, I saw this car years ago when you brought it in here. It was gold.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And it was just a Coronet. It was never a police
Nope,
car, but
no,
you were searching for something you could convert.
Yeah, something that was kind of used in the show, that kind of model. So,
well, this is great. So it looks authentically correct.
Yeah.
It looks just like the Roscoe car that we all watched and loved on TV that could never catch that orange car.
Yeah.
Megan, you were saying a while ago,
Right.
you know why. You had to drive this car for a while when it was still a no.
Right. It has no get up and go. No.
So you told
The Dukes got away because it cannot chase them.
and it couldn't jump like that car.
No.
no.
So about that, it's a 318
Yeah,
there.
318 single barrel.
318 single barrel carburetor. It's got air conditioning. Does
Yeah.
that work?
Yeah.
Well, great.
Yep.
It's got everything that Roscoe's car had. You turned it white. It's got the CB, the antenna. You just got to find a Roscoe to drive it when you check the brakes.
That's right. Yeah. We've had some.
You got a costume for that person?
No, but we had some volunteers. So
I bet you had
Yeah, we
volunteers.
have had volunteers.
Yep.
Yeah.
We gotta get
Greg,
we gotta get a dog.
around over here, and we'll have to watch her step because he's got several things here. But it's like I said, 76 Coronet. I love how they mark unleaded fuel only. It's always a reminder for people to unleaded fuel only, but Hazzard County license plates on this thing. A government vehicle. at
Here
that.
we are, Hazzard County.
Hazzard County. I'm telling you, it's the real deal. It's a little straighter than some I remember on TV. I saw Roscoe. He crashed a few of them too. What was his dog's name? You got to tell me.
Flash.
Flash.
Yep.
Flash always rode shotgun.
Yeah, we
Yep.
need to get a flash.
You need a Flash.
I need a
dog?
flash.
Stuffed one.
A stuff.
Just that there, and when you leaving that.
Yeah.
There you go. Body of your picture. Yeah, the stuffed one may be a better option.
Right.
Yeah. Just so it's got long ears.
Yeah.
Well, man, that's a really neat replica of Roscoe P. Coltrane's
Yeah, them old cars kind of hard to come by.
sheriff's car.
Just-
Well, there's
yep.
not many of them left.
They didn't. Yeah, they wasn't popular, So
Yeah, they were kind of a
Mhm.
throwaway, what
Yep.
I call a throwaway anyway.
Yep.
I forgot where you got it.
Cleveland, Ohio.
So this car came from Ohio. So
Yep.
you didn't find one locally.
Mhm.
You had to go to another state.
Yeah, that one came from
By
Cleveland.
the way.
Yep.
So you had to remove the molding from the door.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. So all that looks right. And then who made your Hazzard County sheriff?
There's a guy. His name's Chad Pullum. He
Locally?
No, he's from North Carolina, I think.
North Carolina.
He makes all the Dukes of Hazzard decals and does a really good job. It's where we got the General Lee stuff. And
Is that where you get the plates and all that?
no, you can get them from. Yeah, you can buy them from Cooters and down there. And
Oh yeah, Cooter's got the
Yeah.
store down there.
Right.
Probably.
yeah, you can buy all that kind of stuff. But the decals, he's kind of known for those.
Yeah, well, that's neat.
Yep.
It turned out good. That's a cool start. So the slowest car in the whole crew.
Pretty much. Yeah.
We start with it. Now we got Boss Hogg's Cadillac. Now I know where this car came from. You did buy this car local.
Yeah, it came local.
And that's when it kind of dawned on me you were kind of building a collection was when you purchased this car. So we got a 76 Eldorado.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep.
And really the only thing you've done to this was what? Add the bullhorns?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I took off the Cadillac emblem. It's in the glove box. It can be put back on. Didn't drill little holes in the hood. So
they're mounted where the
there is.
go.
Yeah. So they can always go back if it needs to.
Well, we seen Boss Hogg on TV when we were all kids riding around in this Cadillac. And this is a great replica of that car. Does it have hazard placed on it?
Yeah, it's on
In
the
the
back.
back.
On the back.
Yeah,
Yep.
in the back.
Back. So you guys took it originally to replicate them right down to the life anyway.
Yeah. This is the wrong year. It's supposed to be a 69, but
Yeah, I knew he had a
Yeah.
older one.
it's
What's the odds of finding
right.
a 69 Cadillac?
Most people don't understand that or see it when
Especially locally.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah,
It's just an neat old white.
people don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, they see a white Cadillac convertible. Yeah, that's Boss Hogg's car.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Probably the best riding car you
It
got.
Oh yeah.
it rides like a yacht. It's a
It rides smooth.
500 cubic inch front wheel drive car.
Front wheel drive, Eldorado. Of course, you're going to get that.
Yep.
500 cubic inch. Yeah, we don't talk a lot about the motors on these because they're kind of irrelevant.
Yeah.
This thing never had to make any jumps. It just hauled
No.
that guy in the white suit around, huh?
Yep.
And I don't know what his interior color was. I really don't.
It is white.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was white.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they
This-
got some cool cars
Yeah.
in that
Mm-hmm.
show. And that show ran from what, like 79 to 85, something
Yeah.
like that.
Yep. There were 7 seasons altogether.
7 seasons of the Dukes of Hazzard.
Yep.
And iconic cars came from that series that was 40 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
40 years ago since that was on TV, and people still recognize these vehicles. Young people,
Yeah. They still got a pretty big following.
Mm-hmm.
So.
follow.
Still on TV?
It's still, yeah, you can still catch it on reruns. You can watch it live streaming
Yeah.
or streaming on streaming programs, whatever you want to do. Well, that's a cool car, and I guess you get to use this in parades.
Yeah.
Probably all of them.
Yeah. We get asked to use the Cadillac in parades, and a friend of ours used it in their daughter's prom this year.
Well, it's
They want
perfect for parades because it's got
Yeah.
the hard shell. They
Yep.
can sit
Mhm.
on, put their feet down in the back
Mhm.
seat, and wave and throw candy at everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this next one we got here is Daisy's Jeep. Now, my favorite actor or actress on the Dukes of Hazzard was Daisy because she always seemed to run short of denim. And I mean short. But she rode around for I don't know how many seasons. The early seasons, I think, were started in the Jeep, right?
No, they would have been the later. They had the Roadrunner, and then they were hard.
Roadrunner first.
Yeah, they were hard to find, so they switched over, and Jeep started providing them.
I got you. And
Yeah.
then they could paint them up like this, decal,
Yep.
whatever they wanted to do.
Yep.
So this is a 70s,
This is a 78.
78 Jeep.
Yep. CJ7.
Now, and Darren, back to the Cadillac. You bought this car locally in
Yep.
Southeast Missouri. So
This come from Ohio or Iowa. I can't remember where. I've had it a few years.
the
But
Jeep.
yep.
And it looks exactly like the Jeep that
Yeah, I bought it already white, so
So you bought it like this. Did
Mhm.
you have it decaled or was it already decaled?
we decaled it.
You decaled
Yep.
the Jeep. So this is Daisy Duke's
Yeah.
replica of the Jeep. Yeah, it's a good looking Jeep. Now, I saw this. You have rode this in
Oh yeah.
parades and things like that.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, it drives.
Yes.
it's a 6-cylinder.
No, it's V8.
It's a V8.
Yep.
Oh, wow, V8 Jeep.
Yep. 304. Yeah.
Yeah. So they had the 258 6-cylinder or the 304 V8. Man, it's really cool. You got the right color wheels on there.
Yeah.
You got the bird on the eagle on the
Yeah. Golden Eagle.
yeah, soaring eagle on the hood. Dixie. They were advertising the South heavily on these cars, you know, and they became iconic. I promise you, this helped Jeep sales because Daisy drove one.
Oh
You
yeah.
know, that's really a cool Jeep. So, how long you had this Jeep, guys?
We probably had it 5 years.
Or
That was
more.
one. That was one of the
Or
first ones.
more.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask a question that I don't know, even though Megan is my sister. I've never asked this question. When did you guys decide? I know your intentions were to build a General Lee, but when did you decide that you wanted to have a collection of cars?
I guess after we bought the Jeep, and then it was like, what
See what
else can we get? And we just
Yeah. See what else we could find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
So
think
there was-
we ever had the intentions of getting them all.
So your original
Yeah.
intention wasn't to have the collection.
No.
And I do know you've got some others, and we're going to show them later on, like her Roadrunner and Uncle Jesse's truck. But, you know, you said earlier that you thought about a Cooter wrecker, but
Yeah,
So you're looking for a cooter?
that's probably my least that I would go. They're hard to
need,
transport, and
car-
they're,
they
yeah,
don't drive.
they don't
well.
drive good. You
Yeah,
know,
they don't drive good, and there's nothing flashy about Cooter's old wrecker.
no, and he had so many different ones too. There's not a specific
Yeah,
truck that he used.
We
and-
need the semi-car hauler.
yeah, haul everything around them.
yeah,
That's what we need.
that'd be better for you could put Cooter on the door.
Yeah.
Still love it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Cooter's drive. Well, man, this is a beautiful Jeep. I do like it, man, and it looks so close. And
Yeah.
I'm just going on my memory bank that it looks really close to what we watched on TV. So that's really cool. We've got, like I said, we got some other ones like this 73 Roadrunner.
That's a 74.
74 Roadrunner that hasn't been restored to look like Daisy's Roadrunner yet, but we'll tell that story a little bit later. But
Yeah.
for now, what I want to do is come off these show cars here, that TV show cars, and go in and look at what made the Dukes of Hazzard famous.
Okay.
We'll do that right now, Rick.